What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing this super smoky, rusty eye look. As usual, if you don't like this video, then maybe something else I post will be for you. If you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia, also known as Smallish Satan. I like to focus on indie brands and beauty on a budget. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, ghouls, and thank you for subscribing. Let's go ahead and get started on our video for today. Alright, I already primed my right eye with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I really like this primer. It's super nice. And then I went in with my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette and a Morphe, this is a Morphe MB25. And I took this white shadow and I just set my eyeshadow primer with that. Then I'm going to go in with my Venus, the first Venus palette. I have had this palette for so long and I'm absolutely in love with it. As you can see, I've hit pan on a lot of these shadows already. So we're going to go in with Divine here, this ashy, this cool brown color. And we're just going to put that all in our crease. Alright, and now that we've got that in our crease, we're going to go ahead and go into the palette again and take Creation here, this rusty orange color. I usually, for a really long time there, I would wear just Creation on my eyes and blend it out super far and give it a really like grungy, just orange all over the eye kind of look. We're just going to put that on our lid and then blend it up into our crease. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and take, we're going to mix together Muse, this red color here, and Icon, this dark brown, on a, this is a MUA Professionals crease brush. It's just a pointed crease brush, but I like to use it to blend and pat colors into my corner. We're going to go back in with the brush that we used Divine on, and we're just going to blend that all out. See right here? This is why we do eyeshadow first. Then we go back and put our foundation and concealer and everything else on. Because if you're wearing foundation and concealer and you're doing this dark eyeshadow look, you're gonna get it on your makeup and you're gonna have to keep pulling it off and you're gonna have to keep putting your foundation and concealer back on, and it's just unnecessary. If you just go in there and do your eyes first and then your foundation last, it's gonna be so much easier for you in the long run. Then I'm just going to take this e.l.f. contour brush, this small crease brush, into this Muse here, this red, and then we're just going to focus that on the corner, the outer corner here. then blend it out again. I'm going to take this flat packing brush and my Notoriously Morbid shadow in 314. Have a little bit in the cap right here, and we're going to go ahead and just load that up. And then we're going to put that on the lid towards the inner and work towards the middle. And then take a little bit more of Icon. Just blend that all together. And then we're going to go ahead and clean everything up. I'm going to put my foundation on my brows, and then we're going to do the rest of the eyeshadow. Alright, so I got my whole entire face on, I got my brows on, I have my lashes on. I'm wearing the Ardell foaming lashes in 812. It's raining super hard right now, and I had to wait a really long time until I can actually start filming this again. So if it starts to rain super hard again, I'm really sorry, but I'm going to try to get through this as fast as I can. So then we're going to go ahead and do the under eye. I'm going to go back into my Venus 1 palette here, and I'm going to start off with Icon. Is that Icon? Nope, I'm going to start off with Muse right here, this red, with a little brush right here. Then I'm going to go in with Creation on this flat blender brush here. And then I'm going to go into my 314 right here from Notoriously Morbid, and then blend the rest of that out. And then I'm going to take this flat blending brush and go into Divine. Just blend the rest of that out. Make sure you connect that to the top up there. And then I'm going to go in with this flat eyeliner brush, and I'm going to dip into Icon right here, and we are going to line our under lash line. And then go ahead and take your pencil brush and blend that out. And then I'm going to take that same flat liner brush, and I'm going to dip into 314 again. And I'm going to line my waterline with that. And then I'm going to take my Morphe MB25 and I'm going to blend the rest of that out. And then I'll take my L'Oreal Paris Hydrofuge Voluminous Carbon Black, like always, and I am going to just put mascara on my bottom lashes. Alright, that's the eyes done. I'm going to go ahead and put on lipstick, and we'll go ahead and finish the look. Alright guys, that is it. I'm wearing Kat Von D Cathedral on my lips with a little bit of Nick Cage Churning Butter One Crisp Thanksgiving Morn by Shiro Cosmetics. I did an unboxing and swatch video with a bunch of Shiro Cosmetics products that I had recently purchased. If you want to check that out, I'll go ahead and put the video link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Glam Ghoul fam, and like this video. Follow me on all my social media. My Twitter is Spoopy Mama and my Instagram is Smallish Satan. Thanks guys.